Time to celebrate some birthdays. We're going to head over to Crestline where Ethan Jesse is turning the big 5 today. Happy birthday to you, Ethan.
All right, and Landry Maury turning 6 years old in Lamar. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Landry.
We've got Chase Bugney in Pittsburgh turning 8 today. A very happy birthday to you, Chase.
And belated birthday wish going out to Luke Kennedy. But you know what? That means we're still celebrating today, which is pretty awesome. Looks like we got some fun things to celebrate with, too. And Luke is in Goodman, Missouri.
We've got Braxton Smotherman turning 18 in Joplin. A good catch there, Braxton, and enjoy your 18th birthday.
In Fort Scott, John Emerson celebrating birthday number 23 this year.
And Alan Grimmett, this is from your wife, Tina. She says a very happy birthday to you as you celebrate in Parsons.
All right, and Deanna Lockmiller celebrating birthday number 71 this year. Deanna's in Pittsburgh.
And then Diana Blackburn, she's the woman on the left, celebrating a birthday in Oswego. A very happy birthday to Diane.
All right, and let's see, we've got Alvin and Connie Edwards celebrating their 39th anniversary this year. Congrats to the Edwards in Girard.
Down in Columbus, where there's always a celebration in the boss, we've got Charles Frank turning 86 years old today. Charles, happy birthday.
And Rick and Karen Olds are celebrating anniversary number 38 this year down in Miami.
Maybe they're actually just turning 38 together.
Maybe.
It's a possibility. You never know. You never know.
All right, so if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can email them to us at birthdays@komtv.com, or you can send them through our website at birthdays@komnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're there, do not forget to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's right there on our website. You get a lot of really cool deals from local businesses. So all you need to do is go to komnewsnow.com and make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club when you're submitting those birthdays.